Imagine this: what if the key to making a woman completely lose herself in pleasure wasn't about endurance or some mythical talent, but a simple rhythm that builds waves of intensity until she can't hold back anymore? That's the secret most guys overlook, and it's about to change everything for you. Let's dive right in. So many men feel that pressure to perform like a pro right from the start, but the real game changer is building that unshakable confidence in the bedroom. It's not something you're born with, it's earned through smart insights and a bit of practice. Think about it like learning to drive. At first, you're gripping the wheel tight, overthinking every turn, but once you understand the road and trust your skills, it becomes second nature. And here's the good news: studies from places like the Kinsey Institute show that confidence alone can heighten a partner's arousal by up to 30%, because she senses your ease and lets go more fully. Have you ever felt that nagging doubt, wondering if you're doing enough? You're not alone, and that's okay. The beauty is, you can flip that script starting today. For instance, picture a guy named Mike. He was always second-guessing himself until he focused on learning one solid approach. Suddenly, his partner was responding in ways he never imagined, and his own anxiety melted away. It's all about shifting from hesitation to intention. Confidence grows when you have a plan, and that's exactly what we're building here. Now, before we get to the heart of this technique, remember that every woman's body is unique, like a custom instrument that responds best when played with care and attention. Listening to her cues, those subtle shifts in breath or movement, turns you into a maestro. And speaking of that, let's talk about setting the scene properly, because comfort isn't just nice, it's essential for unlocking deeper levels of pleasure. Getting the position right is like laying the foundation for a house. If it's shaky, everything else wobbles. Start by ensuring she's relaxed and supported. A simple trick? Slide a soft pillow under her lower back or hips. This gentle tilt not only makes things more accessible but also naturally enhances blood flow to sensitive areas, amplifying every sensation. It's backed by basic anatomy. Elevating the pelvis can increase nerve stimulation by aligning everything just so. She might lie on her back with knees bent and apart, creating that inviting openness. But don't forget your own setup. Kneel comfortably, maybe with a cushion under your knees to avoid strain. Or try her at the edge of the bed while you stand or sit. It keeps your neck from cramping and lets you maintain eye contact, which adds that emotional spark. I recall a patient who shared how this small adjustment turned awkward moments into seamless connection. His partner felt more exposed yet safe, leading to trust that deepened their intimacy. Experiment together. Ask her what feels best, it shows you're tuned in. Some couples love the side approach, where she's on her back and you're lying perpendicular, easier on the arms and perfect for longer sessions. The goal? Both of you settled, no distractions from discomfort. This isn't about rushing, it's about creating a space where anticipation can build slowly, like a storm gathering on the horizon. And here's something fascinating: research from the Journal of Sexual Medicine highlights how proper positioning can reduce performance anxiety for both partners, leading to more satisfying experiences overall. Think of it as ergonomics for ecstasy. Once you're both comfy, that vulnerability turns into excitement, setting the stage for what's next. But wait, this next part is where the magic starts to unfold, the art of taking it slow and building tension that she won't forget. Rushing in is the biggest pitfall I see, and it's understandable. Excitement takes over. But true mastery comes from patience, like simmering a fine sauce to let flavors develop fully. Women often need that 10 to 20 minutes of gradual arousal to reach peak intensity, as per studies from the American Psychological Association. It's not a sprint, it's a dance. Begin far from the center. Trail soft kisses along her inner thighs, that ultra-sensitive skin that's so often ignored. Each touch there sends tingles racing upward, heightening her awareness. Imagine teasing the edges of a gift wrap before unveiling the prize. That's the mindset. Her body will start to respond, muscles softening, breath quickening. Then, move to the outer areas with light, deliberate strokes of your tongue. Keep it gentle, exploring with curiosity. Use the flat part for broader sensations or the tip for precision, always varying just enough to keep her guessing. Analogy time: it's like playing a guitar string. Pluck too hard too soon, and it jars, but build the vibration slowly, and it resonates deeply. Watch for her signals. Is she arching slightly? Gripping your hair? Those are green lights. Gradually circle inward, but hold off on direct focus. This tease creates a craving that's electric. One story that sticks with me is from a couple in their 40s. He learned to linger here, and she described it as waves building on a beach, each one stronger than the last, leading to an overwhelming release. What do you think? Does slowing down like this sound counterintuitive at first? It did for many, but once tried, it's a game changer. Incorporate breaths or whispers too. Tell her how responsive she is. It adds layers, making the physical emotional. As you approach the most sensitive spot, start with feather-light touches. Rhythm matters. Consistent, circular motions let her body sync up. Switch to gentle suction if it feels right, but always build incrementally. This phase is about layering pleasure, like stacking logs for a bonfire that roars when lit. Around now, if you're finding this helpful for boosting your own confidence in intimate moments, why not subscribe? Join our community for more tips that make a real difference in your vitality and connections. We're all about practical, science-backed advice to help you thrive. But here's the twist that elevates everything, the technique that turns good into unforgettable. This is the crown jewel, the start-stop approach, a method that amplifies orgasms by edging right up to the brink and pausing. It's like revving an engine to redline before shifting gears, the power surges. Most guys push through when they sense climax nearing, but pulling back multiplies the intensity exponentially. How to spot she's close? Listen for deeper moans, feel her thighs tense or her back arch, eyes fluttering? That's it. At that peak moment, ease off, shift to kissing her belly or thighs, maybe stroke her sides. Just 15 to 30 seconds creates a vacuum of desire that pulls her back stronger. Then, return with the same rhythm. Each cycle shortens, first might take minutes, next half that. It's compounding arousal, as explained in sexual response models by Masters and Johnson. Picture a roller coaster, the drops thrill, but the climbs build the scream-worthy excitement. A relatable tale, think of Tom, a busy dad who felt routine had dulled things. He tried this, and his wife said it felt like rediscovering fireworks after years of sparklers. She was more engaged, more passionate afterward. It's empowering, showing you control the pace for mutual bliss. Have you tried something similar? Share in the comments, it helps everyone learn. Repeat the cycle 2 or 3 times, reading her. When she's pleading, that's your cue to sustain and guide her over. Steady pressure, no changes, let the wave crash. The result? Orgasms that ripple through her whole being, often more profound and lingering. Where are you chatting from? Drop it in the comments section. Love hearing from our global community. This method isn't just physical, it fosters trust, making her feel seen and cherished. For men over 40 dealing with energy dips, it's a low-effort way to restore performance and spark. But let's tie it all together. Mastering this, from comfy setup to patient escalation and that clever pause, transforms intimacy. It's about connection, not conquest. Analogous to cooking a gourmet meal, ingredients matter, but timing and care make it memorable. Remember, every body varies, so communicate openly. Practice builds prowess, and soon, you'll notice her craving more, your bond strengthening. It's empowering to know you can deliver this level of joy. If these insights resonate and you're ready for more on boosting stamina, improving vitality, or natural ways to enhance hormones, hit that subscribe button. I'm Dr. Alex from The Healthy Body, here to guide you toward a healthier, more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, let's make every day better.